Hi guys, so video number 13 I believe. They're racking up now, so I'm getting there with the facial drawings and I shall just start into it. So the way that I have been learning how to do quick drawing or getting results quicker is basically doing 1, 2 and 3 drawings, 4 minutes per drawing, and then 1 minute for an analysis and a summary of your overall results. I'll just get to it. The first one, if it'll focus, the first one actually turned out quite well. I think it's probably because I have been drawing for the past couple of hours, so my hand is fully warmed up, and that might possibly be why I'm getting better results, or just I'm getting more practice and I can actually visualize what where the lines should go and what kind of shapes essentially are within that area. So good speed, slightly boxy face from the actual reference photo. As you'll see here, that it's not as boxy as this one. So the first one is usually just kind of fine tuning things, but I did like my hair. So hair in the past has been an issue for me, and I feel as if I'm actually starting to get the flow and the overall shape of hair. Managed to get her torso and her arms. Sorry for me casting a shadow. The lamp is right behind me and it's quite late at night. So yeah, that's what I used. Loomis Loomis method along with observational, could not get that out, observational and geometric, and I used that for all 3 of the drawings. I feel like I get the better results from using those 3, specifically for more tricky or delicate kind of drawings, especially when there's a lot of elements like hair or facial features. Number 2, I feel is the better of the 3. Sometimes that happens, it's usually the third, but sometimes it's the second or even the first. But usually they become better as you draw. So good speed again, better face, shape and facial features set out. I also done good hair again, thankfully. Less is more, as I keep on, as I've said a few times. Definitely is an improvement compared to the hair that I was doing previously. I don't know why that's not focusing. I do apologise. The third one, different kind of facial shape I went for this time, just to see if it would work, and it didn't actually look like the original reference photo, so not quite a result, but still decent enough. Good eyes, good hair, and that's about as much as I could say about that one. Not my best, but then I might be getting tired as well. So number 1 and number 2, specifically number 2, is the best out of the 3, and I used all the 3 methods that I have previously spoke about: Loomis, observational and geometric, to get the best results, and I believe I got that this time. Let me know what you think and what methods you use in your drawings. Take care guys, thanks, bye.